In this video, we're going to investigate the action of enzymes. Enzymes are catalysts, and we're going to use the catalyst in yeast. And we're going to react the yeast with some sugar in some warm water. In front of the camera here, you can see all the things that you need to do this, because this is something you can try in your kitchen at home. So I'm just going to set this experiment up and show you what's going to happen. So the first bottle has got 1 tablespoon of sugar in. The second bottle has got 2 tablespoons of sugar in. The third one has got 3 tablespoons of sugar in. I'm now going to add an equal amount of yeast, a teaspoon, and an equal amount of water, 100 centimetre cubed or 100 mils, to each of these bottles. So in each bottle now is the sugar, the yeast, and the water. And what we need to do now is just give them a little swirl to mix the solutions and dissolve the yeast and the sugar, and this will start to ferment and give off carbon dioxide gas. And to give us a measure of how much gas we are going to produce, I'm going to put a balloon over each of these. So 2 are ready, and I'm just going to do the last one. So just swirl it around, squeeze the air out of the balloon, stretch it over the end, and we leave them like that. So we have the yellow balloon with 1 tablespoon of sugar, pink balloon has got 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the green balloon has 3 tablespoons of sugar. So we'll come back after a while and see what these look like. Here are the bottles after half an hour since they were mixed. And it's clear that carbon dioxide gas has been given off because the balloons have started to inflate. At this point, there doesn't appear to be any difference between the 3 bottles. And here are the bottles after an hour. There is now a slight difference. The yellow one, with a 1 spoonful, hasn't inflated as much as the pink one with 2 spoonfuls of sugar, and the green balloon with 3 tablespoons of sugar is a little bit bigger. Now, is that progression from small to medium to large balloon what you would expect based on what's been discussed earlier in this workshop? Now, these bottles could be left for a bit longer to see if anything else happened, but I'm going to stop videoing them at this point. But there's nothing to stop you trying this out in your kitchen with sugar, yeast, water, and bottles and balloons. You can investigate different amounts of sugar. You can also investigate maybe different temperatures. Do they get faster or slower as they get hotter? Again, think about what you've learnt earlier in the workshop. You might even be able to make a prediction about what you think is going to happen. I'm going to clear these away now.